Welcome back to Spell and Math Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're given a right triangle and we have to solve for x. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, please subscribe and or like and share. So here we have a larger triangle that's comprised of two smaller triangles, and those two smaller triangles have right angles. Here we see an expression for that right angle, which is 3x minus 6. So let's rewrite that, 3x minus 6. And remember that a right angle or a right triangle measures 90 degrees. So we're going to set this expression equal to 90. And then we're going to solve for x. So we begin by adding 6 to both sides. So we have 3x is equal to, 90 plus 6 gives us 96. Then we're going to divide both sides by x. Divide both sides by 3, leaving us with just an x. So 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 goes into 6 2 times. So here we see the value of x is 32. Now let's verify that we have the correct answer by doing a direct substitution of 32 for the variable x. So here we have 3 times 32 minus 6, and that there should give us 90. Well, 3 times 32 is actually 96, and then 96 minus 6 is what's left over. And then 96 minus 6 is 90, so here we have 90 equals 90. So we see that our calculations are correct. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, again, please like, share, and or subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.